Ever had that amazing idea for an app, but then reality hits? You hit this wall, right? The wall of complex code, the months of waiting, the super expensive engineering team you have to hire. Well, today, we're diving into a platform that says it can just tear that wall down, letting you build powerful digital products visually and at an incredible speed. But before we get into the solution, let's just pause for a second. Think about it. When you're trying to bring any digital idea to life, an app, a website, whatever, what's the one thing that always grinds things to a halt? What's the biggest bottleneck you can think of? For pretty much everyone, from solo creators to massive companies, the answer is the same. It's the back end. It's that invisible, super complex engine that's doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. We're talking user data, business logic, all of it. And building that the traditional way, it's a huge headache. A major one. Okay, so here's the game plan. First, we'll really dig into that back-end problem. Then, we'll get into the solution, Xano. We're going to look under the hood, check out some real results, talk about the fine print, because there's always fine print, and then wrap it all up with the final verdict. Right? So let's tackle that hidden wall. This isn't just a small speed bump, It's a massive problem. Traditional back-end work is just painfully slow. It's crazy expensive because you need these specialized engineers. And honestly, for so many people, this is the thing that kills brilliant ideas before they even get off the ground. So what if that wall just wasn't there? I mean, what if you could build a really powerful, scalable backend, the kind big companies use, but without writing a single line of traditional code? Well, that's exactly what Xano promises to do. So let's define it. What is Xano? Put simply, it's the top dog in the no-code backend world right now. It's a platform that lets you build, scale, and manage that whole complicated engine we've been talking about, but you do it all visually. Okay, that sounds cool, but how does it actually work? Let's get into the nitty-gritty and see what's powering this thing. It really boils down to this three-step flow. First, you build. You're creating all your business logic and your APIs, basically the brains of your app, using a visual drag-and-drop interface. Then you deploy. One click, and it's live. No server headaches. And finally, it scales automatically. It's ready for 10 users or 10 million users right out of the box. And when you look at the features, wow, this is not just some simple little tool. We're talking a powerful Postgres database. That's serious, industrial strength stuff. You get things like serverless functions, automatic scaling, and over 1,000 integrations. Plus, built-in security that's SOC 2 compliant, which, if you're dealing with customer data, is a massive deal. It's really the whole package. Okay, a fancy feature list is great, but what does that mean in the real world? How does this actually stack up when people try to build real products with it? Check out this quote. Xano replaced our entire back-end engineering team. I mean, just let that sink in for a second. The cost savings, the time saved, what used to take them months now takes them days. That's just insane. And here's another one. The most powerful no-code back-end platform on the market, period. See, people don't see it as just another option. They see it as the top choice if you need real power without being a traditional coder. And this isn't just hype. Look at this. Someone built a complex SaaS product. We're talking user accounts, payments, real-time stuff, all in under 3 weeks. 3. With old-school coding, that timeline is basically science fiction. So if you put a number on it, what are we looking at? 5 to 10 times faster. Let me say that again. 5 to 10 times faster development. That isn't just a little better, that's a whole new ballgame. It's the difference between maybe next year and how about next month? All right, but let's be real. Nothing's perfect for every single situation. So to give you the full picture, we have to talk about the other side of the coin. What are the things you need to think about before you jump in with both feet? Okay, so on the one hand, the strengths are obvious. Insane scalability, full flexibility, and that ridiculously fast development speed. But what are the considerations? Well, there's a learning curve, especially for really complicated logic. And if you have super specialized needs, you might have to dip into JavaScript. And yeah, for big-time enterprise use, the pricing can get up there. Okay, so we've looked at the problem, the solution, the good, the bad. Where does that leave us? What's the final verdict on Xano? Is this really the future? Here it is, the bottom line. If you need to build a serious, scalable backend and you don't have or don't want a big traditional dev team, Xano is the clear leader. As of 2026, there's really no contest. It's not just a slightly better way of doing things, it's a true game changer. It completely changes the conversation around how long things take, how much they cost, and who can actually build a real powerful piece of software. And the user ratings, they speak for themselves. A 4.9 out of 5 is just outstanding. And the reasons people give are always the same. Its power, its speed, and its scalability. So I'll leave you with this thought. Once that huge barrier, the backend, is just gone, what are you going to build?